What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, can everyone please like, comment, share, subscribe, bell icon, all of that good stuff. Please, let's get the numbers up. Thank you everyone for the support so far. It's a marathon, not a sprint. That's what I'm gonna say. So yeah, I've reviewed a few moose knuckles already. The Union, the Dugald, or whatever you want to call it, Dugald. They all got odd names, man. The other one I can't even remember off the top of my head, but it was a good one. The Powerpuff Down. Yeah, Macaskill. So I've done 3. I had to bring everyone the classic, the good old heavyweight, the 3Q Puffer, Parker, whatever you want to call it, is here. So this jacket, I have to say, has to be like one of my favorite mooses. What I don't like about it is a slightly slimmer fit to the others. So you potentially may have to go up a size. Like my biceps was struggling in these sleeves, man. But yeah, that's out of the way. Let's get into all the information. So the reason I had to get this one is because this is slightly different to all the others. One is the classic. I haven't even read this label. So we've got, it says Moose Knuckles. Moose Knuckles Canada. Is my first time having this type of leaflet on mine. So on the inside, what does it say? Show us how you wear your moose. I'm actually going to do that, moose on the loose. Check authenticity. So it literally gives you how to check is authentic. What else? Some material. So we primarily used Saga certified finish fox hand sewn in Canada. High standard rollers ethically and all that stuff. Just explaining a bit more information on the materials and stuff like that. Zip pockets, reinforcements, all that stuff. The perfect zipper. So the custom Moose Knuckles custom heavy duty full metal zipper, heavy duty water repellent, unbreakable metal, freeze and rust proof, all that stuff. It's got a bit of information on how to align it and all that stuff. I don't really care, not gonna lie. So the down, all the information about the down. So just explains more about that. A detailed look, the shell, whatever. Moose Knuckles Parker has the highest thermal insulation value again. So Moose Parker versus top 3 competing brands. So that's probably shots to Canada Goose, Montclair. I don't know who else is the third one, not gonna lie, I can't really think of it right now. But yeah, people, man, let's have a quick look at the label. It does say extra large, 975 pounds. It's the new plate, it's the new season one, autumn winter 22. And the reason for this one is the rating is Canada cold. So that's proper for when it's proper cold, freezing cold. So this jacket will keep you warm in the extreme Canadian cold. And yeah, let me not mess that all up. I can't be bothered to read the rest, not gonna lie. It just tells you the same old information as all the other ones do. So if you've seen the other videos, you will know what it says. I don't want to bore everyone with that. And let's just get into the details of the jackets. So we'll start off with the zipper. It's got like that looks like an axe type zipper, the little detail on that. It's nice, I like it. I don't really care much for details on zippers, not gonna lie. It is quite heavy duty, trust me. I put this on, it zipped up, it was stiff to take off. Then we've got like a flap on the front, and then buttons up. I won't button it up. This is probably actually going to go back, if I'm being honest with you. I do want a size up because my arms were struggling in this, man. I'm not saying I got big biceps, big triceps, but you know, I could do. It's got a front pocket, so a chest pocket. It's actually got the information inside there. So the style, the color, and the size on a little white label in the inside pocket. I didn't even notice that. That's actually quite cool. So style PM K228M3Q, so it's a 3Q jacket. Color black, size extra large. Pockets, it's got those pockets with the, you know, with the little buttons. I like the buttons, but I don't at the same time. I don't know if, you know, I don't know what it is. I think they look good, but you know, they're quite stiff to be using all the time and stuff like that. But they look nice. It's got everyone knows I like pockets on the arms. Usually it's on the other side, but this is on this side because the other side has got something else on it. So just a normal. I never use these pockets, it's just there for like fashion or whatever you want to call it. The other side, it's got that good old patch with the solid moose knuckles. This isn't removable at all, it's just an extra patch or whatever. The arms, we've got the zip, nice size zipper, goes up and down, you know, it doesn't open it all the way through, it just opens it slightly, and then you can always make it tighter, looser, whichever you feel like. And then we've got, this is a proper heavy jacket, man, like it's heavy. And then we've got the side zip. I won't really be using that, but it is what it is. But yeah, this is like the Union's bigger brother, much more puffy, much more padded than the Union. Well, 30% more, but you know, that does make a difference as it's more warm. Between this and the Union, I think the Union slightly comes out on top for me, just because of this doesn't fit the way I like the Union fitting. So literally because of fit, but I think style and everything, this is nicer than the Union by far. Same hood as the Union, so it's got the two little, I don't really care for that, to be honest. And then we've got the fox fur hood, very nice, very soft, looks very nice when worn as well. And I forgot to even mention the inside. It's got that good old moose knuckles on the inside, so the big patch. This one's just sewn in, so embroidered fully, made in Canada with Canadian and imported components. So it says Downfield Moose Knuckles Canada, and it's got a hockey fight going on with moose. And yeah, people, man, that's really it. That's just a quick rundown on the 3Q. See how stiff that zip is? It's a serious zip. Oh yeah, quick check before I break everything. Authenticity, just to make sure. Let's just quickly do that authenticity check. Where's the NFC? Oops. Throw it on, rapid. Don't even need to touch it, mate. What's it doing? What's it doing? What's it doing? It's checking authenticity. Checking. Good news, your item is 100% authentic. Would you like to register your product so we can track and streamline future warranty claims? I'm just going to press no for now. Thank you for choosing Moose Knuckles. For latest news, head to our website, tapitmooseknuckles.com. If the internet's not slow, it'll load, and then they've got a sale on or whatever. Don't really need to care. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you like it, If you hate it, if you rate it. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, people.